What's in the box today?
Can you tell what today's sound will be? Introducing whistle. White. Whisk. Did you get it? Yes, today's sound is wh. Phonics, phonics, Mama T loves phonics. Welcome to Mama T's Phonics.
It's time to read.
Now let's practice reading the wh words. Read them with me. Wheel, whisk, white. E-oo, wheel, wheel. I-sk, whisk, whisk. I-t, white, white. Wow, well done. You have read 3 words with the wh sound and earned 3 stars.
It's time to sing.
Now let's practice singing the wh song. First, look at the video in the top right corner and practice making the sound. Wh, 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 wh. Here are the wh words that I know. Whistle, whisk, white wheel, wheel. Now go make a list of the wh words that you know.
It's time to say.
Let's practice finding all the wh pictures. Some of the pictures do not have wh. See if you can find the ones that do before I show you. Whale, raw, toy, wheat. Can you hear the wh sound? Time's up. Yes, whale and wheat both have the wh sound. Let's try again. Cue, sway, whistle, wheel. Can you hear the wh sound? Time's up. Yes, wheel and whistle both have the wh sound. Well done for finding 4 wh pictures today. You've earned 4 stars.
Cool. Awesome. It's time to find.
Now let's play the finding game. The girls have made some fun challenges for you to practice finding the wh sound. White, wheels, whistle, hat, sock. Which ones have the sound? Let's try again. Whistle, winter, wobble, which. Did you find the sound? Water, who, what, whip. Can you find the sounds? Wow, you found so many today. Well done. Wow! You have learned to say the sound, find the sound, read the sound, and sing the sound. With all this practicing, you're going to be an amazing reader. Well done! Be sure to check out more videos to keep practicing those phonics. If you would like to practice your phonics and letter sounds more at home, then visit my Etsy or Teachers Pay Teachers shop. Just look up Mama T Phonics. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up underneath the screen. Wait, before you go, subscribe to my videos.